Want to get better in life, but feel overwhelmed by how long it might take? What if we told you that in just 7 days, you could completely reset your mindset, habits, and direction? In this video, we'll walk you through 1 week of powerful, practical steps to upgrade your life one day at a time. Let's get started. Day 1 is all about clarity. You can't get better if you don't know what better means. Take 30 minutes today. No phone, just a journal and a pen. Ask yourself, what am I unhappy with in life right now? What would a better version of my life look like in 3 months? What am I unhappy with in life right now? For example, John, 28, felt stuck in a boring job. On day 1, he realized he wanted a career with creativity and freedom. That clarity was his spark. Day 2, fix your energy. Cut sugar, drink more water, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Move your body. Even a 20-minute walk can change your brain chemistry. For example, Maya started walking in the morning instead of scrolling her phone. Her mood and productivity shot up within 48 hours. Day 3, break the addiction. Turn off non-essential notifications. Unfollow accounts that make you feel behind. Instead of 2 hours on social media, use that time to read a book, meditate, or build a skill. For example, Raj deleted Instagram for 7 days. He finally finished the course he had been putting off for months. Day 4, install one tiny habit. Not 5. 1. Simple. Want to read more? Start with 5 pages a day. Want to eat better? Prep one healthy meal. Priya wanted to reduce stress. She began meditating for 5 minutes a day. After a week, it became a keystone habit. Day 5, clean your environment. Your outer space reflects your inner space. Declutter your room, desk, or digital files. Sam cleaned his workspace and immediately noticed fewer distractions and better focus during work hours. Day 6, connect deeply with someone. Call a friend, hug your parents, have a real conversation. We thrive when we feel seen and heard. For example, Tanya reconnected with her brother after months. It lifted a weight she didn't even realize she was carrying. Day 7, reflect on the week. What changed? What felt good? What will you keep doing? Now set 3 realistic goals for the next 30 days. Getting better in life doesn't require waiting for the perfect moment. Start with 7 days. Show up, one day at a time. And remember, small changes create big shifts.
If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.